Calrec has announced that its True Control 2.0 is a remote production winner in the 2025 NAB Show Product of the Year Awards. Calrec's second-generation remote production technology, True Control 2.0, which made its Las Vegas NAB debut, is an adaptive IP ecosystem that enables broadcasters to embrace distributed production, minimize costs, and scale resources on the fly. With the ability to control up to 5 Calrec devices simultaneously, True Control 2.0 now encompasses every product across Calrec's entire IP-native range. At NAB 2025, the company announced an expansion of True Control 2.0, adding control of Calrec's Apollo Plus and Artemis Plus consoles to the Argo Q, Argo S, Argo M, Type R, Impulse, Impulse 1, and Impulse V mixing engines.
ARRI has officially launched its camera companion app for iPhone, iPad, and Mac with Apple Silicon, enabling users to configure their own personalized interface for remote control of one or multiple Alexa 35, Alexa Mini LF, Alexa Mini, Amira, and Alexa 265 cameras. Following a highly successful beta program during which valuable feedback from thousands of industry professionals helped shape the final feature set, ARRI's camera companion is now available on the Apple App Store. With a choice of 2 subscription options, Camera Companion's flexible interface streamlines on-set workflows for camera crews and DITs. The standard subscription provides comprehensive control of 1 or 2 ARRI cameras, while the premium subscription adds features such as unlimited cameras and MIDI support. A free demo version of the app offers basic, single camera control, camera menu access, and free standard and premium trial periods that allow users to build familiarity with the control possibilities before deciding which subscription is right for them.
BCE has appointed Florence Diers as its new product director, enriching BCE's product portfolio and enhancing the overall customer experience. In her new role, Florence will lead BCE's product unit within the technology department, reporting directly to Sylvain Merle, Chief Technology Officer at BCE. Her appointment represents a significant advancement in BCE's commitment to developing innovative, scalable, and high-performing media solutions. Florence will oversee the full life cycle of BCE's product portfolio, from design to delivery, with a strong emphasis on cloud strategy, agile practices, and user-driven innovation.
Nvidia recently announced that it is working with Taiwanese electronics manufacturers Foxconn and Wistron to build 2 supercomputer factories in Houston and Dallas, Texas, the United States. Nvidia expects the investment to result in hundreds of thousands of jobs, and said that mass production at both plants is expected to ramp up in the next 12 to 15 months. The U.S. chipmaker reported it is already producing its Blackwell chips, which provide capacity for generative AI and accelerated computing, at the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company factory in Phoenix.
IABM has launched a brand new online AI course designed for business managers, production teams, and technology providers across the media and technology industry. The new, expertly curated AI course provides an understanding of AI key concepts, types, applications, implementation, and ethical considerations. It defines AI, generative AI, machine learning, data science, deep learning, AI models, foundation models, and neural networks, and explains the differences between rule-based systems and AI, and the evolution of AI from the 1950s to present. Produced by IABM member Damon Neal, CEO of MediaVision AI. The course is available free of charge to all IABM members via the QR code displayed on your screen. Non-members can purchase the course.
The Co-Production Salon is set to make its highly anticipated return during CABSAT 2025 for the 4th consecutive year. With an impressive 90% reparticipation rate, the Salon's return reflects its significant role in fostering high-impact partnerships, unlocking new market opportunities, and opening new avenues for collaboration. Organized in partnership with H Consult, a leading content market specialist in the Arabic-speaking Middle East and North Africa, will serve as an ideal platform to push creative and business boundaries, further opening avenues for robust collaborations that have the potential to drive regional and international growth. A key highlight at the Salon is the Co-Production Wall of Fame, which will showcase the most influential collaborations shaping the future of content creation. Additionally, the CEO Networking Power Hour, an invite-only session, will bring together 30 top executives for a power-packed hour of strategic discussions, networking, and deal-making. More information on the Co-Production Salon at CABSAT 2025 is available via the QR code displayed on your screen.
SAP Garden unlocks a new era of live sports experiences with interactive technology powered by Stage Precision. This 50,000 square meters multi-functional sports venue is a home to both the EHC Red Bull Munich hockey and FC Bayern Munich basketball teams. To implement innovative and interactive technology, Bright Studios, a leading creative technology company, lent on the power of SP software from Stage Precision to develop a workflow that enables tracking data to be transformed into engaging visual content for real-time gaming and audience participation, bringing to life Red Bull's innovative concept of a new spectator experience. The system relies on tracking data from UWB chips built into the player's clothing, hockey pucks, or basketballs. This data is then processed in SP, which smooths and refines it before sending commands and tracking data to I/O Versal Vertex media servers, Unreal Engine, and the lighting console to trigger animations and lighting effects.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.